Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions. On the application of Gemini, we go to settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above, we will search about Gemini app and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Gemini. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.